Today we'll see the live claims feed screen. Now you can place your cursor on the billing tab and you'll find a list of options below where you can select the live claims feed option. Well, now in this screen we can keep a track on the status of claims submitted to primary and secondary insurance. In the appointment screen, once you set the status as bill insurance, it gets reflected here, which means the claims are ready to send. Every night at 7 p.m. PST, our system will synchronize with our clearinghouse. At that time, the claims will get transmitted. In Dr. Chrono, we have our own scrubbing system. If our claims is missing any mandatory information like patient's date of birth, insurance member ID number, then our system will stop sending the claims and the status will appear as missing information. If that's the case, then you can correct it and resubmit the claim. If your claims has all mandatory information, it will get transmitted to our clearinghouse and the status will show as in process at clearinghouse. If they find any errors on your claim, they will reject it and here it gets updated as rejected MDON. Then you can correct it and resubmit your claim. In 24 hours turnaround time, our clearinghouse will transmit the claim to the insurance EDI department. Once the claims reaches EDI department, the status will show as in process payer. Now again, in insurance EDI finds any errors on your claims, they will reject it. If it gets rejected, then the status will show as rejected payer. And then you can correct it and resubmit your claims. When the payer accepts the claim, the status will be updated as payer acknowledged. Then the insurance company will process your claims and makes the payment. Once the payment is received here, the status will show as ERA received. If in case claims get denied, then the status will be changed as ERA denied. Here you can filter the claims based on its status. You also have an option to filter by patient's name, insurance and visit date. Also, you can export this to an Excel spreadsheet by just clicking on the export to file. If you have any questions regarding this, please feel free to email us at support@drchrono.com.